Hi everyone, it's Holly here. I'm back again this week with a hair tutorial. I've been planning and so excited to share this hair tutorial with you. Kylie Jenner's hairstylist shared his secrets to her hair lately. I obviously saw her hair, even Kendall Jenner's hair, and I'm like, I need to try this hairstyle. Let's get started. I washed my hair, I showered this morning. Once I got out of the shower, I'm actually almost done this. I used the Unite leave-in detangler, which is my favorite detangler ever. This one just makes your hair the softest, I find, so I'm almost out of this. I need to get a new one. I actually need another one of these too. Lenore Grail's serum. I love this serum. It makes my hair soft and easy to brush through, but it doesn't make it greasy or separated or anything. It's just perfect and has a lovely smell. A comb, a light comb to comb through it, and then I applied some mousse today to Lenore Grail Mousse Eau Lotus Volumitrice because with this wave hairstyle, it's nice to have a little bit of hold in prior to curling it. I just blow dried my hair. I used my shark tool just to make it smooth because if I air dry or rough dry, it's a little more coarse feeling. So when I use the shark or you use a round brush in a blow dryer, it just makes the hair a little more softer. So then when we do this style, the hair will be soft and shiny. Put it in a clip, 1.25 curling iron, Hot Tools, easy to get on Amazon or something like that. I will leave a link for all of these products below. Brush through with a comb. This is Lenore Grail as well, just a soft boar bristle brush. It separates and makes it soft. Your hair is soft so it can glide through the iron really easily. Curl away from your face with a clamp curling iron. This is not a wand. Gently let the curl out. I don't want to let it go, otherwise it will take the curl out. You have to gently release it and then you curl towards. I leave the ends out a little bit depending on your hair length. My hair length's kind of in the middle right now. So that's the idea. It's not until the end that you actually see how perfect this hairstyle is. This is the best hairstyle ever. So you curl away from the face and then this is kind of the key. Gently let it out so that those curls stay. And then you flip the iron around this way. I always have to think. And then go towards the face, just on the bottom portion, depending on how long your hair is. And then do the same thing. This is the Lenore Grail Volume Form. Nice and light hairspray. I find this is like, today is a hot day. I'm going to a bridal shower that's indoor outdoor. I think this hairspray will really help me keep this hairstyle, or it just probably would not hold its form. So that side is done. I'm gonna go and move on to my right side. I like to kind of be around 320, 330. On this side of the face, you just kind of have to look in the mirror and be like, okay, what way is what? This side was a little harder for my brain to figure out. And then do that twist so that you keep that curl. Then we turn. You get better at it because I'm definitely better at this than I was the first couple times I did it. Trying to figure out what way was what. Use both my hands. Do our little twist and then, and as you can see, this doesn't look like much is happening yet. It's the top layer that really makes this come together. Doing too big of sections with this is not great. Then 1 or 2 inch. And I kind of hold here when I do the bottom section because I don't want to pull too hard on the top section where I already curled. In the front piece, I don't hold for too long because it is such a small piece. This heat is good. What do I have it on? 330. Gonna make sure my middle part is like perfect. One of these combs, I'll link one down below. You can get them at Amazon. I got that one at Sally Beauty, I think. I do like brushing this out a little bit. Just do a light little brushing like that. A little backcombing because I love doing that. I do a little backcombing on the crown because my crown tends to stay flat. And then I softly brush that out. Just backcomb a little bit underneath. And just a few, just do a light finish. with hairspray because I am going outside in the heat and I feel like I need all the help I can have with keeping my hair like this. And then the finishing thing I kind of like to do, you can see how amazing this looks. Like, it's so wearable. I use that comb because it has a little brush end on it with this Balm Boys de Rose, a matte sculpting balm from Lenore Grail. Just kind of go like this on the top so you don't have those little flyaways. Sometimes I use this Unite Shine Spray as well, but it does add a bit of shine to this hairstyle. This is my finished look with this brand new easy wave hairstyle that Kylie Jenner's hairstylist shared. It's so amazing. It's better in my opinion. I love it currently more than the 3-barrel wave, any other hairstyle I've done. I'm wearing this all the time. I'm obsessed with it. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial and found it easy to follow. I'll leave links down below for all the products that I used. Don't forget to like this video down below if you loved it, and follow me here at hall_ward on YouTube. I post every single week. And don't forget to head over to Instagram and follow me at the same handle over there. As always, I hope you have a wonderful week and I'll see you next time.